Assalamu alaikum brothers, how are you? I think you are fine. Today brothers, I shall share a tip that how you save your solar plates. This is a very teeny tip, and I shall share you from this. Your solar plates will be safe because as and when I install solar panels at our roof, we have to bear a number of expenses, like to expense of the solar plates as well as its frame, as you are watching, and along with chasing of a solar inverter, wire, breaker, etc. So the tip is that, brother, before going at the topic of my today, I shall inform you that on daily basis I upload a video at my channel through which usually you can get different benefit. Sometimes you are perceived time is saved, and sometimes your money is saved, and sometimes the message guidance is such type that it will be helpful for your routine life and solve your different problem on ease basis. The tip, so come at the topic of today. The tip which I want to share with you, as and when you come at the roof to clean your solar plates, so must watch the with touching of fingers of these nut bullets, whether they are totally are tight. If you feel that are loose, so tight it so that you have not to bear any incident. Further, usually solar plate fitter try to save his time. They try to tight these nut bolt from lower to upper side. Presently you are watching that these nuts have been fixed from upper side to lower side, because from upper side this nut have been fixed, and from lower side these bolts have been tight. So brother, always try as and when the solar fitter are fixing your solar panels, so request them that the nut must be from upper side to lower side, and bolt are tightened from lower side, because the benefit of it, first of all, as and when unfortunately if this bull nut is loose and fell down, but solar plate will not be free, because bolt is still into the solar plate panels, as well as will be joint with your frame. But when you tight it from lower to upper side, as and when a bolt nut will be free, the bolt will fall down, and solar plate will be free. First is this, and the second is, if at any time when your bolt nut will be loose, you can tight it easily from there. But when this nut will be fixed from there, it will be tough to tight it. So brother, this was the tip, this was the idea. So I wanted to share with you, because it is my try that the idea which I have in my mind, I appropriate to share with you, so that you are precise money, precise time, as well as so that you will keep you safe from any incident. It was my message. I think you liked my message, and if you liked, kindly share it, and also subscribe to my channel, so that different on daily basis different such type of videos, such type of guidance can you receive, can you meet. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.